Super Haaland boo. The memes coming out of this World Cup are absolutely fantastic. AI plus World Cup is like the greatest thing ever. Those like AI version, anime versions of the matches, they're just class. So let's try and draw this on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Head tilted back, super boo with Haaland's hair and like the Norwegian jersey. So let's go with his frowns first up here. So his head is tilted, right? So the middle of the frown is like diagonal that way because his head is going this way. And then we will curve this around and down. And then this comes around here. No eyebrows. And then the other side goes up this way. And so it kind of curves a bit more down. It's like this is a small eye, you know. And then we bring this around here. Kind of joins the side of his head eventually. And then we got some frown lines in there. So his eyes, so we get like a small line, it's Dragon Ball, so small line and then the long line, and then we just curve those together, and then he's looking down at us because his head is tilted back, so you get the red half circle and then the black half circle, and then small line that side, long line there, curve them together like that, and then looking down, so red half circle, then black half circle. So does he have any of those holes on his head? Actually, it's not in this AI Haaland image, but let me see. Super boo. I'll edit this out hopefully. Yeah, well, it's kind of up maybe where his hair is. Yeah, there might be, but you know, the holes in the head. But I'll leave it for the time being. We got like some, you know, some hatching sort of cheek lines. There. And then he's got like a big crooked smile. It just looks like it's closed, so we just open it up. Kind of make it look like it's like a banana sort of shape or a boat. And then we've got some like cheek lines and stuff in here for his smile. And then we just see some of those sharp teeth. And then his like chin just has hatching on it, like so. And then the bottom is, so like his chin and his neck are like sort of the same thing. So you just get that, and then there's just some hatching lines underneath. So there's no like line up the side of his face or anything, because his neck and his head are they're kind of one thing. But like if you imagined where his jaw would be, you know, the side of it is kind of there. So you don't have to connect these lines, you just sort of leave a gap. And then he has those weird ears sticking out there. Like a little circle in this one. And then we go over here and we get the side of his head, so it touches that eyebrow area. And then it'll start to curve. Excuse me. And then we have his hairline, so just like a zigzag sort of going down. on the way to his ear. Like, I think sometimes there's like, I might add like just a black circle here, and maybe, because I think there actually is, it's not in the meme image, but it is in this one, like in the original. So then his hair sort of starts to bump then. So it's all like tied around the back of his head. So we just kind of bump it around. And then add some more of these sort of carving hairlines. And then that bun sort of tied at the back here. And the long hair kind of goes behind his neck, right? So we give him that big muscular sort of neck here. And at the front, and then we get like neck muscle. And here. Do 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 do. Right then, back of his neck. And we get like the collar of his jersey. And then his shoulder, like, just kind of bumps this way then. And then we can just see some long hair kind of sticking out here. Right, and then big shoulder then. And then this curves around. You like, you know, top of his chest and stuff here. And so Norwegian crest, we'll get the general sort of shape of it like here. Standard sort of crest shape, like a shield. And then it's got like a sort of an interior, sort of an edge line. And then there's like a cross inside, there's like a little sort of circle or something here, I'm not sure. And then there's like a cross coming down. There's a different color up here. It says, let me say Haaland. What's the crest? It says Nords. There's like N. That's an F. N. F. F. And then it says Norge. All right, we just add the Nike tick. And then some details on the jersey. So there's like a collar here. It's like, I think, a white section. And then white comes down. And then it goes that way. Down his chest. And the other side here. Down that way. All right, Super Haaland Boo. Hope it's helpful. Hilarious. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.